How to add a Gmail account into Apple Mail app. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, go ahead and open up your settings application in your mobile device. Now once you open settings, scroll below and then tap on Mail. From here, simply tap on Accounts. Now from here, simply tap on Add Account and then choose Google. Now once you are here, simply go ahead and type in your email address. And once you do so, simply tap on Next. Now from here, go ahead and enter the password. And once you are done, simply hit Next. And just like so, you'll then be able to add a Gmail account into your iPhone Mail app. Now once you do that, head back to your home screen and then open Mail app. And as you can see that the Gmail account is now added to your Mail app. And that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.